in the hole.
Now keep digging.
Let's see. Can that dig up deep enough?
Okay.
I think so. But maybe do it a little bit bigger and we'll put some of that dark soil in there.
It's fine. It's fine.
Today we are in our outdoor classroom and we are celebrating our E-Day. So we are doing a countdown to the last day of school from A to Z, and today was our E-Day, so we're doing Earth Day, and we have read books and studied some things on Earth Day, and now we wanted to take that practice and do hands-on outside. And so I had, with the help of some parents and myself, we got some plants and some that were hardy enough, and we just started from ground zero, pulled the weeds up.
Yeah. We get some. Doing good, Shay?
Yeah, this one goes right here.
We're super excited to be the first ones to experience out here at our new building and to help make it just as beautiful as this school is. Hands-on learning for sure not only helps the learning stick for them, but the biggest thing for me is that it's going to be a great memory for them. It was a great memory for me here at Broken Arrow Schools in 5th grade. I will never forget when I was at Arrow Springs, and it was Carter and Reagan's election, and our teacher had us carve pumpkins. And I'm a lot older now, so that memory has stayed with me, and I hope that today does the same, and they'll always remember in 3rd grade when they got to plant in Miss Lee's 3rd grade.